Habibi, Salalah. Welcome to Saas vlog. Today I am going to introduce a best place in GCC. That is Salalah. Salalah is the third largest city in the Sultanate of Oman. Salalah attracts many people from other parts of Oman and the globe during the monsoon Khareef season, which spans from June to September. Tourists visit Salalah during this season. The climate of the region and the monsoon allows the city to grow some vegetables and fruits like coconut and bananas. There are many gardens within the city where these vegetables and fruits grow. About climate, Salalah during Khareef season, June to September. Salalah is very cloudy and foggy during the monsoon months, starting from July till August. Even though it has relatively little rainfalls. Khareef means autumn in Arabic, but it refers to monsoon when describing the region around Salalah. During this time, the brown landscape of Salalah and its surroundings are completely transformed to beautiful and lush green scenes. This provides as picturesque scenes for photos. During this season, Salalah is like Kerala, Kashmir and certain European countries. Very simple to visit from the UAE. Cheap airfares, very easy to get a visa. If you travel by car, you can take on arrival, and if you have GCC license, you can drive rental cars in Salalah. And also one more thing is very easy to get rooms by booking.com. Share your experience in Saas vlog.